How to turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can simply tap on the option of your profile icon at the top left corner and scroll down, and you can simply tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy, and as you do that, select on your account. Now tap on account information, and here you can see there's no option of your birth date. So what you can do is simply go back and then tap on your profile over here. So let's tap on profile and let's tap on edit profile. So here you can see your birth date. So now the only way to turn off age restrictions is to manage your birth date. So if you are above 18, then you are definitely turning off the age restrictions on Twitter application. So you can see I'm definitely above 18, so which shows that the age restrictions has been turned off. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.